Hello, I'm Dave Edelhart of Wonderland Labs. This is my entry to the Mozilla Design Challenge, Summer 2009, Reinventing Tabs in the Browser. Tabs exist in a family of solutions for viewing pages. Bookmarks and history do a good job already for a medium to long-term memory, so a tab-like mechanism needs to focus on what tabs do well but with a less congested UI. Tabs allow you to branch out a stack of viewed pages and switch between the last viewed page on each stack. They reduce the need for multiple windows. As a permanent UI addition, they fight for visual space with the page itself. Everything you put in the top and left edge of the browser creates dissonance. If we accept tabs as a permanent presence on the page, I feel it's best to look at the other edges of the page, the bottom, and my choice, the right edge. My other issue is that they're horizontal. Tabs are functionally a list, something to be scanned quickly for a recognizable initial element such as the first few letters or an icon. This is especially true when there's a lot of them, which also creates UI congestion in a horizontal mechanism. It's worth noting that a horizontal menu does exist as a drop-down in the upper right corner of Firefox. Flipping the tab over the corner into a persistent iconic right edge would allow for a lot more items in the visible range. Each pip on the right could reflect the last visited page of a particular domain in descending order of visitation. In that sense, the tab mechanism would merge somewhat with the history function. The page stack could fly out on a rollover. If you wanted to actively pin a page while you browse past it, you can use the orange asterisk button. This is how the page stack differs from the history stack. By default, it compresses results from a domain into a single button, but using the asterisk, you can temporarily bookmark a particular page while still browsing past it. Layout could be further enhanced with thumbnails. While they are a useful enhancement, primary navigation as a vertical list is faster and more informative and should be retained as the primary list upon which you scroll through. A host of functions could be added on top of this, including a search filter, bookmarking and asterisking, mentioned before, a like-hate stumble-upon type system, a scope of list, sort, and display type. These could further refine or expand the elements shown at the right navigation and